list. List is the way to organize a paragraph into bullet point or point form, which to make the expression more clear and more simplified. So we talk about a bullet point first. Bullet point in LaTeX can be implemented by item lines. So you have a begin item lines and end item lines to signify the program that between them you want a bullet point. And for each bullet point, you have an item. Okay, item. I have an apple, and you have an apple. We have two, and we have other one is called a number list 1, 2, 3, and then you use enumerate, and you have an item. First item is number 1, and second item number 2. So let's see the programming what you see. So look at the editor here. We have 2 lines: begin document and document class article, and at the end we have an end document. So look at the first section here. Section or another list. So bullet point. So we have two item here, 2 bullet point. I have an apple, and you have an apple. We have 2, and if you compile it, okay, you will see we have 2 item here. I have an apple. You have apple. We have 2, and if you have another item for we have 2, then we will see 3 bullet point here. Okay, and now we go to another list, which give us 1, 2, 3 here. So suppose we want 2 item. Okay, with 2 item, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and we run it, then we will see number 1, number 2. And if we want another item, we can have a time series analysis. Okay, then we have 3. And as we said, LaTeX is just mark. If you want to do another thing, say like factor model, okay, which put in the middle, then the number will adjust accordingly. So you don't need to worry about the numbering. The number will be done for you. So here we have 2 another list. Okay, sometime we may want to have a sublist, right? So what do we mean by sublist here? So let's go back to the simple version. Is I have an apple. Okay, so this is the simple list, but I want another level list for the second bullet point. I have a sub bullet point. Okay, what we're going to do is put it immediately after the second item, second bullet point. So this thing will enter as a sub bullet point. So let's run it. Okay, so you can see when I run this, then will appear as a sub bullet point here. So if you want another level sub bullet point, okay, after the first element, okay, here you put it here. Okay, so usually in order to make this thing looks nicer, you will you indent this one to make it more inside. Okay, so you can see I have another sub-level bullet point. So the symbol will automatically generate for you. If you don't like, can change, but for the basic class, we're not going to tell how to change it. So here I have just another list. Okay, actually you can change it to enumerate. Okay, number list. So I suppose I change the last item we have to the number 1. Okay, so you can mix and match. You don't need to worry about whether it's another. So you can see I can change to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a number. And if I want the I have apple change also to enumerate, also doesn't really matter. Okay, I can change it to this one. Okay, if I do so, the second level will also change to 1, 2, and the sub level item will change A, B, C, D, E. So the LaTeX is very smart to do it. So you can see a lot of possibility, and it's very flexible, and you can change it very easily. So that's the end of the basic in talk about the list. Thank you.